Hi guys, it is Tuesday, April 21st, Daily Decision Making, slide 19. George and Bill had planned to meet at the park to play ball. George waited at the park for over an hour, but Bill never came. George was upset. The next day at school, George ignored Bill. George yelled at Bill and called him a loser. How does George feel? Happy, angry, or sad? How do you think Bill feels? Happy, angry, or confused? What is something George should have done? Hit Bill, ask Bill what happened, or told on Bill? Go ahead and log into your daily decision making and answer slide 19. Thank you. Have a good day.